everybody, welcome back to our channel Art for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a beautiful Paris painting.
So first we have a cardstock paper and we have an outline of Paris that you can show to draw with the markers as well. And in the next step we are going to use a scissor and make a cutout of it. So Nimisha, you can start. So just make a dark outline of the sharp using the Sharpie pen. Yeah, first draw the bottom. So she is showing exactly the way that she drew it. So first we are making 3 markings on 3 lines, and as we go up the lines get shorter. There's one more line, right? And then so this is like the basic outline. So in the next step we are going to use the scissors and cut it out. So after we have it like this, to cut out this center, you just fold it right in the middle. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, and then, yeah, it doesn't have to be just now. If you see, it's easy to cut it out just like this. I think we got it, and then just straighten it out. So now this is the basic outline of Eiffel Tower. So now that we have the cutout, next we have a 7x10 black mixed media paper, and what we are going to do is we place it right in the middle, and then if you want to make sure it sticks, you can just put a little tape on it so that it sticks to it while you're working on it. And then we have to paint around it with oil pastels, and we are going to use shades of blue. Start with the lightest one and then we go to the darkest as we go outside. So first step, I think we will put a little bit of tape so that it stays on. So if you have double-sided tape then it works, but I just have a regular, so I just folded it like this, and I'm gonna place one on each of 3 points. Put it here. And just one more on the top. So now we have the tape so that it stays along, and we are going to start with the light blue, and we are going to go around it in the same shape as the Eiffel Tower. Make sure that you use your energy for pressing it hard and don't leave any spots, and since it's oil pastel, we are going to blend it with a tissue paper later on. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. So as you can see, she is coloring along the shape of the Eiffel Tower. Okay. So this is how it looks currently. Now we are going on to the next shade of blue. So now we are again moving on to the next shade. So you can use 3 or 4 different shades of blue as you have it, and just cover on the entire page.
I just got an idea.
Yeah, so what was your idea, Nimisha?
You could draw birds.
Oh, on the background?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we can do that. So we are just finishing it up with the darker shade of blue that we have. So in the next step, we are going to use this pastels fixative and just spray on it so that the colors don't bleed into our hands anymore. So once you have applied the fixative, so next step is to take the cardstock paper out slowly without tearing it. Yeah. So as you can see, this is how it looks. It kind of looks like an A right now. So next what we have is, this is a jumbo correction pen. It's a white pen. So an alternative to this is you can use acrylic paint with your thin brush. So this is very easy to use. When you squeeze it, the paint comes out. So Nimisha, if you want to show it. So we are just going to outline the whole thing with this pen. So I think you can turn your page around. You don't want to. Your hands shouldn't touch the part that you have already painted, so maybe you can turn it around and work with it. This is pretty quick dry, but just for safety, make sure that your hands are not touching the parts that you have already painted or marked. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to give it a couple of minutes, not minutes, maybe it's just a couple of seconds for it to dry. And after that, we are going to use our gel metallic pens to do the details. So this is the metallic color that we are going to use. It's a gray metallic gel pen, and we are going to do the details inside the Paris Tower using this. So just keep adding some designs, like line designs, on the Paris Tower until you are satisfied with it. So after adding the designs, this is how it currently looks. Next step, we planned on adding some stars and shooting stars on the background. And then if you want, we can write Paris on it, making this an A, and we have to write Paris. And that's what we are going to do with the white correction pen again. So next we are going to write Paris with the white correction markers, or do you want to do the shooting stars first?
Shooting stars.
Okay, so we are going to do the shooting stars first. So just flick the correction pen upwards, and that gives an effect of a So after this, we are going to write Paris across the Eiffel Tower with the correction pen. It on. So this is how it currently looks. So she wanted to do some birds, so we are going to use a golden metallic pen and making some birds on the sky. Make sure you're not touching on the So looks like the metallic pen is not showing so much, so we decided to do it with the correction pen itself. So there we are, we have finished this painting, and I hope you all try it at home and let us know how it went.
I hope you all liked this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you also try this at home. Bye!